Hey guys, it's SterlingW. We're going to do a quick comparison between the Franklin ping pong paddles meant for recreation and these Nibiru Sport ping pong paddles which was meant for, I guess, light competition and stuff. My coworker actually has the Nibiru Sport one, and I figured I'd go play a few games with him. I first bought these Franklin ones, and after looking at them, basically they're great for recreational if you're playing for fun and stuff, and they are thin, they're very lightweight. They have these little dimple rubber pads on it, which basically have a lot of traction on the balls, and it's basically recreational grade. When you compare it with the Nibiru Sports, they have a full sticky pad on the side of it, so it actually has a lot more spin for the balls. It's also a little heavier weight, and it has a non-splintering wood for both of them too, but at the same time, the Nibiru Sport is a little heavier one, and it's thicker wood, so which is pretty neat. So overall, much thicker, much bigger. It's both has two sides on it as well. If you feel it, there's actually a lot more padding. There's probably like 4 layers of padding before the wood paddle backboard of that thing. So it's a bit heavier, and balls basically have a higher traction on it, and it doesn't bounce as much, which is pretty neat. So you see that has a little bounce. This one, it pretty much stops almost that way, because it's the ending of it with that rubber. That tackiness of the rubber is actually pretty good, but you get more spin. The Nibiru Sport one comes with 3-star balls, and Franklin one comes with recreational 1-star balls. Overall, this is pretty cool. If you're just playing for fun, the recreational one is fun. We're playing with friends, but if you're playing with coworkers and other friends who want to be a little bit more competitive, you might want to get the Nibiru Sport ones, which have a better pad on them. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.